show in which loads of recipes come your way on a regular basis. Food that could make your mouth dribble for more. You understand? Authentic meals from the Caribbean, especially Trinidad and Tobago. Guys, today I'm going to be making some tamarind sauce. Somebody tell me, girl, you need to put a tamarind sauce recipe up. I say, alright, I'm going to put one up. So here we go with the tamarind sauce recipe. Yeah guys, so these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. And all these ingredients will be posted down below. Just check down below and you're going to find it, you understand? Alright, as I said, today I'm going to be making some tamarind sauce. And for this recipe, what you need is some pepper. And if you look at one of my videos where I did my homemade pepper, this is homemade pepper sauce. You know, it has a little lemon in here, the smell of curry in here. You understand? The pepper in here, everything mix up together. So yeah, pepper sauce, 1 tablespoon I'm using of pepper sauce. I'm going to be using some salt, half a teaspoon of salt. You understand? You must put a little salt because you know what? This tamarind is the sweet tamarind, so you want to neutralize the flavor a little bit. Here you have some garam masala powder. Bring out that little Caribbean sort of vibes, you know, that sort of smell that you'll find it so pungent, but you know, when you taste that tamarind sauce, you really will want some more. And here we have some cumin. I'm telling you, another strong smelling ingredient, right? I'm just going to be using half a teaspoon of cumin. Another word for this is jeera, and this is my homemade jeera. Go look at my videos and you will see how to make that jeera. Here I have some culantro, blended culantro, just plain culantro, nothing else but culantro, right? Shadow benny is another name for it, and this is about 1.5 tablespoons of culantro. And of course, you must have some minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. So, and to top it off, you must have some tamarind. You see this tamarind? Watch it. Fresh tamarind, sweet tamarindo dulce. Right, so we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you this little tamarind trick. This is store-bought, right? I bought this from the store. Now this is how the tamarind is. The tamarind comes in 3 sections. You have the outer shell, you have the segmented areas, and as I said in one of my videos, I find this thing look just like your colon, so probably it is good for your colon. You understand? Don't be scared. So what you're going to do, you're going to crack the tamarind. Sometimes when you crack the tamarind, you find some rotten part, you find some dry up hard part. I don't like it when it's dry and hard. I like it when it's soft and pulpy. You understand? So, I'm telling you, these are the 3 parts to the tamarind. You understand? So, you want to take out the outer shell. Take your time and take out the outer shell. Move all those little segments. Right? And then you'll find it has a vein running right along the contours of the tamarind. So, what you do, you hold the tip. Bend it a little bit. See, some of them, not all is the same size. Just like people. People come in different sizes. Just like this fruit. You take out all the little shells, okay? And you take out the vein. Enjoy the music. Here comes another one. You crack it like this. Take out all the shell. You understand? And then you hold this part here. This is what holds the vein together. This tip here. And you just give it a little bend. You play with it a little bit. And that's it. Your tamarind. So I think they're saying that it is 1 pound, but I think the 1 pound includes the shells and all of that. So I think basically it is less than 1 pound. So what you do, you sort of separate the seeds. Take a knife, or you could use your hand if you want, and separate the seeds. You know, tamarind is grown in the tropics. Any tropical area, you'll find tamarind, and you know, the tree is so tall. If people go under the tree, if they're tired and they want to sit down and relax themselves, it's a good form of shade and stuff like that. And the fruit itself, it is very good for roughage in your body. If you're constipated, just take some tamarind. You understand? And you will have a real good bowel movement. So try this tamarind. So the next thing you do, after you have separated it like this, you put it in this pot here. You just pour it in the pot. All of it in the pot. So this amount. So for this amount of tamarind in the pot, you're just using judgment, okay? You're going to put some water. You're going to put some water in the pot according to how thick you want it. You understand? I could just put 1.5 cup of water. Right? 1.5 cup of water. Now, you put your stove on and you add all these beautiful seasoning to it. The cumin, the shadow benny, and you want to get all of it. The masala, the garlic. You know, it have a different way you can make this too. You know, sometimes you don't even need to boil it sometimes. You have a next way you can make it. This is the salt. You could use all these ingredients here without boiling it, and you could add some baking soda to thicken it up. That's the next way of making it. So look at that. All those ingredients here. You gently toss it around, you cover it, and you let it boil down until it thickens. I'll be back. You turn off the stove, and you take a whisk, and you whisk it. You know, when you whisk it, you sort of separate the seeds and stuff like that. Look how nice and thick this sauce is. You understand? This is how I like my tamarind sauce to look. Oh God. And you could eat this with some puree. You could throw this on some doubles. Or you can eat it just like that by itself. You know, you just want to lick it until you clean that pot real nice. So you mix it. As I said, this has been on the stove for like 10-11 minutes for the most, for the max. And follow this recipe step by step. And you're going to tell me how this came out. I'm going to take a little taste in it now. Wow. This is simply great. Simply good. If you want, you could put, if you find it's not too sweet, you could put a little more sugar. You could adjust it, you can put a little more salt. It all depends on your flavor. So I'm going to display it for you now. So guys, this is the end product of my tamarind sauce. It tastes sumptuous. All the ingredients has been knitted together and bring out this real awesome flavor. So you can eat it, as I said, with some puree. You could eat it with some doubles. You could eat it just so by itself. So see you again with another really great video. This is Miguel Andrea saying, enjoy the holidays and be safe. Bye.